Today I'm going to show you how you can make these types of AI influencer e-commerce ads for free. It's very simple and easy. So without wasting any time, so let's get started and see. So first of all, we need a source image. For source image, we will go to TikTok. Okay. So this is a TikTok and this is the video that we found. And now we will find also the product image from Amazon. No problem. Okay. You can also take for a screenshot. Okay. And then I will go to ChatGPT, okay, which is very yes, ChatGPT. And in ChatGPT you will give the ChatGPT real prompt, okay, about your product. For example, I found this product on Amazon, okay. This is the product link. I told ChatGPT, and I told also ChatGPT that read this product properly, clearly, and understand the product, and you can ask me anything about the product if you want to know. Then ChatGPT asked me some questions that like target audience, who is my target audience, and the price range, the single product or bundle, and which is the platform I will make the ads, TikTok, Facebook, organic, which one, and then the UGC image, or sorry, face or silent or faceless, okay, what type of ads I will make. And then I gave him the every answer that my target audience all types of, like you said, I mean athletes, older women, okay, and price range 30 to 50 euro, single product will be, platform will be both like TikTok, Facebook, and UGC style. And then ChatGPT gave me this prompts, okay. So now I will go to Google Vids, okay, our number 3 tools, which is Google Vids. So this is the prompt. I will select like premium buyer. This is the angle, and I will just copy this prompt. Let's go to the prompt and Google Vids, okay. This is the Google Vids, and I will just paste the prompt, and also I will add the images, okay. So for example, this image I will attach, okay. So this is number, you can add 3 frame, okay. The more better you give the frame, the more better you get the results, okay. And then number 2 prompt, okay, will be this one, sorry, the frame, this ones, the product will be more clear, okay, so that the Google Vids or AI model can understand more. And number 3 image I will attach, which is these ones, okay, our main image, I mean the person, okay, the avatar. And then I have oh, here is also, you can set the ratio. It will be portrait because we are running the shorts ads, okay, I mean reels ads. Then generate, click on generate, and it will be generate. This is very simple, my friend. Just let's also make a note that first we need is also write, we need source image from TikTok, okay, and 3 is Google Vids, okay, Google Vids for video. Okay, so this is the main and the basic fundamental, okay, that's it. Source image, ChatGPT for prompt, and Google Vids. So now we also go to ChatGPT, okay. Then let's see our
Kein billiger Support Ut, sondern echte Stabilität für dein Knie. Spür den Unterschied.
Okay, nice. So let's see
Kein billiger Support Ut. Kein billiger Support.
Okay. Let's see the video.
Kein billiger Support Ut, sondern echte Stabilität für dein Knie. Spür den Unterschied. Wenn dein
Okay, boom. So this is mainly German language video, okay, because we are running on Germany based ads, okay, that's why it's German language. So my friend, that's it. This is very easy. If you need any help, okay, just you can comment below, I will help you, okay.